Now, Hafiz Ahmed Kadir is here. Next topic is health. Health is also a key component of H plus. With health, you may be concerned, sensible, obsessional, or even fanatical. That is entirely up to you. The main point is that you pay heed to health as an accept of your being a human being. Human. Cool. Cool means stylish, wearing the right clothes and belonging to the right clique. It means being confident and being your own person. In general, it means good. Surprisingly, there is no other term for good. No one want to be a goody, so cool has a clear field. Warm form. Warm form is the opposite. Warm form means that you are so confident that you can afford to be outgoing and generous. You smile whether people smile back or not. Vasu. This is a usable term for warm form. If you are Vefu, it means that you are generous, warm, and human. You can contribute to others and the world around, unlike the cool crops you are up and about. Vefu and H plus. There is no direct connection between Vefu and H plus. Vefu exists in its own right, separately from H plus. Vefu is used here as an illustration of the attitude underlying H plus. It is an outgoing contribution attitude rather than a cold, self-centered one. With H plus, you help yourself by helping others. Pawns. H plus is based on the action and contribution. A pawn is a positive action. You may help an old lady across the road. You may clear up rubbish in your neighborhood. You may intervene to help a mugging victim. A pawn is real action designed to help other people. This would usually be in the immediate local surrounding, but a wider area is not excluded. Agenda. Pawn is a positive sin. That means an action that is helpful, constructive, and contributing. If you pick up a piece of waste paper, but it not but paper and put it into a dustbin, that is pawn. The agenda is the number of pawns you set yourself as a target for the day. This could also be described as your quota. A ponton. A ponton is a series of boats placed across a river so that you can get across the river. Here, a ponton is the series of pawn, and you are placed to thought carry your thoughts the day. Beggars. If you give money to a beggar, is that a pawn? If you have an agenda of four pawn and you give money to your four beggar, are you achieving your quota of pawn? The answer is no. For two reasons. There is no sense of achievement. You are just filling an obligation in the easiest possible way. The second reason is that it may be a disposal behavior to encourage begging by providing beggar with an unearned source of income, charities, and good work. There are people who are already involved in charities and good work. How does this fit in with pawn and constructive behavior? Ongoing good work is worthwhile and to be recommended, but it is not the same as individual spontaneous pawns. H plus requirement. If you let others know about H plus by talking to them or by sending them a copy of H plus, a new religion is that a pawn. Yes, this would indeed be a pawn, but this sort of pawn, sort, but this sort of pawn, yes, this would indeed be a pawn, but this sort of pawn should never make up more than half of the pawns on your agenda. So if you have an agenda of four pawns a day, you are required three people that only account for two pawns out of your agenda of four being asked for help. Once it becomes known that no, once it become known that you are willing to help, people may start coming to you for help. This would be the case in a small community and less so in a large one. Just as giving money to a beggar is too easy. For example, a form of contribution, so maybe responding to requests. There is none of that pro- pro- proactive readiness to contribute that is the base of H plus. Reactive responding is highly valuable but is not the same as proactive initiative and action.